हेलो लिटिल लर्नर्स, नमस्ते दोस्तों। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं नुपुर और आप देख रहे हैं लर्न विद नुपुर, जहां लर्निंग होती है इजी, फन और फुल ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी। In our last class, we learned that we usually add s to make nouns plural. But do you think every word follows that rule? Let's find it together. Before we learn something new, let's quickly revise what we learned in our last class. In our last class, we learned that most nouns become plural by adding the letter s. Let's look at these pictures together. What do you see here? Yes, one book. Now look carefully. There are many books too. What do we say? That's right, books. We added s. Now look at the next picture. What is this? Yes, one cat. And now look at the next picture. Two cats. So cat becomes cats by adding s. Let's try one more. What do you see? Yes, one dog. And now there are two. What do we say? Excellent, dogs. Dog becomes dogs by adding s. So remember, little learners, most nouns become plural by adding the letter s. Great job, you remembered the rule very well. Now let's learn what happens when we can't just add s. So here today's magic rule. Some words are different. They don't add s, they don't add es, they don't change y to ies, and they don't change f or fe to ves. Instead, they change completely. Isn't that amazing? For example, if we have one mouse, do we say mouses? No, we say one mouse. Two mice. That's why these are called special plural nouns. Let's learn together. So far, we have learned 4 ways to make plural nouns. Add s, add es, change y to ies, change f or fe to ves. But wait, I have a question for you. Do you think every word follows these 4 rules? What do you think, bachcho? Yes or no? No, that's a great guess. The answer is no. Some words are very special. They don't follow any of these rules. So today we are going to discover those special plural nouns. Are you excited? Let's find out together. Now it's thinking time, bachcho. Look carefully at this picture. What do you see on the left side? Yes, one foot. Now I have a question for you. If there are two, what do you think we should say? Will we say foots or feet? Think carefully, bachcho. Ready to check the answer? The correct answer is feet. Very good. We don't say foots. We say 1 foot, 2 feet. This is a special plural noun because it doesn't follow our regular plural rules. Bachcho, let's try another special plural noun. Look carefully. What do you see? Yes, one tooth. Now imagine there are 2. What do you think we should say? Tooths or teeth? Yes, think. Very good. The correct answer is teeth. Excellent. We don't say tooths. We say 1 tooth, 2 teeth. Next is, look at the next picture. What do you see? Yes, one child. Now there are 2. What do we say? Childs or children? Very good. That's right, children. We say 1 child, 2 children. We don't say childs. Now look at the third picture. What do you see? Yes, one man. Now there are 2. What do we say? Men's or men? Excellent. We say 1 man, 2 men. So here is our last one. What do you see? Yes, woman. Now there are two. What do we say? Women's or women? Yes, wonderful. We don't say women's. We say one woman, two women. So we learned 4 more special plural nouns: tooth, teeth, child, children, man, men, woman, women. Remember बच्चों, these words are special because they don't follow the regular plural rules. They changed completely. बच्चों, it's guessing time now. Look carefully at the pictures. Remember, these are special plural nouns. We do not add s or es. The word changes completely. Let's see how many can you guess? Look at these two little animals. What are they? One is called a mouse. But if there are two, what do we say? Think, bachcho. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The answer is mice. Everyone say it with me. Mouse, mice. Again, mouse, mice. Now, look at these birds. One bird is called a goose. But if there are two, what will we call them? Think, bachcho. 3, 2, 1. The answer is geese. Say it with me. Goose, geese. Now, bachcho, look at these boys. One is called a child. If there are two or more, what do we say? Think. Yes, the answer is children. Everybody repeat. Child, children. Now, look at these strong animals. One is called an ox. Very good. If there are two, bachcho, what do we say? Think. 3, 2, and 1. So the answer is oxen. Say it together. Ox, oxen. Excellent work, everyone. Let's remember these special plural nouns: mouse, mice, goose, geese, child, children, ox, oxen. These words are special because, bachcho, we don't add s and es. The word changes completely. Excellent work, everyone. Now it's quick revision time. Remember, these are special plural nouns. We do not add s or es. The word changes completely. Now let's read them together. Mouse, mice, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, child, children, men, men, women, women, goose, geese, person, people, fish, fish, cactus, cacti. Bachcho, in the revision, I introduced 2 new words, fish and cactus. So, the word fish doesn't change. It stays the same. Isn't that interesting, bachcho? Now, look at this plant. Do you know its name? It's called a cactus. If there is more than one, do we say cactuses? No, we say cacti. So, this is a special plural noun because the word changes from cactus to cacti. Great job. It's home challenge time, bachcho. Look at the pictures. Write the correct plural word in your notebook. Okay? Think carefully and write the answers properly. And bachcho, if you think of one more special plural noun, please write it in the comment. I will surely read your comments. Amazing बच्चों, keep it up. I hope आप सबको मेरी आज की क्लास बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी. And if you enjoyed my today's class, please like, share and subscribe to Learn with Nupur. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep smiling, keep learning, and remember, learning is fun when we learn together. Bye bye everyone. See you in the next class in which we will learn about our next topic, that is countable and uncountable nouns.